Welcome back to Leeds Lifestyle. Today I'll be showing you how I make chicken wings. It's very simple for beginners and it doesn't take you so long. So if it's your first time watching this video or if you haven't previously subscribed, please subscribe to this channel and hit on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Welcome. So this is a simple and quick recipe. So I'm already heating my oil in my wok. So while the oil heats up, these are the ingredients. These are 5 pounds of chicken wings. They already cut them up. So I bought when they already been cut up. I like using them when they are not cut up, but these ones came when they are already cut up. So I will need some 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I will need cayenne pepper and some salt. So in the flour, I'm gonna add about 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and half a teaspoon of salt. Just a little salt to taste. Then I'll mix this up. Then I'm gonna wrap my chicken wings in the flour mixture. I just put a few wings that I want to fry. I bought 8 wings. So I will make sure they are properly coated in the flour mixture. Just like that. Mix them up until they are properly coated. Now these are ready to fry. So the oil is ready. So I'm just gonna place, shake off the flour from the chicken and place them in the oil one at a time. And I'm gonna reduce my heat a little bit. I'm not gonna make it too hot, the oil too hot. So I will put them one by one and let them cook. So you make sure you shake off the flour from the chicken before inserting it in the oil. So after frying the wings and they are ready, I'm now ready to take them out of the oil. And I will place them on a paper towel so that it can drain off the excess oil. So after the oil has drained off, I'm gonna just leave them in the bowl like that. And today, as I had told you, it's simple. I'm gonna use the Carolina Tangy Gold chicken wing sauce. So I'll just pour it in the wings like so. Then I'll just toss them around. So this is how I serve the Carolina Tangy Gold wings, and I serve them in blue cheese. You can also use ranch or whatever sauce you like. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And hit on the bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Until next time, bye and God bless you.